Hey, aloha folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Um, Today, I just wanted to give an update on how my N1 Finance portfolio did this week. First off, just wanted to say aloha. Thank you for checking out this video. For those of you who are subscribed, welcome back. Just wanted to continue to say thank you for the support. Those of you that are new to the channel, aloha as well. And please subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow without any more uh, wasting time. Let's take a look at my portfolio and see how it handled this week. If you look right now, the value is 852. Um, for the week, last week, I was able to gain 10%, which is $79. For the month, just down 1%. And then for the quarter, down 12%. And then for my all-time, down 28%. So basically, you know, for my real estate this week, so pretty much not bad, up 15%. Got realtor income, PSA, DRL, and then let's take a look what is for my ETF. So I'm up 13%. Got it HPHD, VOO, so pretty good, not bad. And then for the bonds, I'm up 0.7%. I'm only down on these three, the treasury bonds. Let's go look at the others. Okay, so my tech. So I got Apple, Microsoft, and Broadcom. I wanted to add Broadcom into the mix, so I started trying to do a transfer. So because M1 Finance does like a window, I think it's like 9 o'clock, I wasn't able to go. So by Monday morning, they should credit, and they should be able to kind of purchase some of the stocks that I want to start investing on. Yeah. For my finance, I'm up 18% on this one. So I have Bank of America, JP Morgan, MasterCard, Visa. I wanted to add CB Unlimited in here. I really like this company. And then for my growth stocks, up 16%. Then you got your Tesla, Amazon, Google, and Facebook. So there's no dividend on this one, so I wanted to just kind of invest in these companies. Yeah. For communication, I'm up 9%. Got AT&T, Disney, and Verizon on this one. And then for healthcare, so I'm up 7%. Abbey, Johnson & Johnson, UNH. I wanted to add Merck, MRK into it. I like that company as well. Utilities, I got NEE, AWK, Southern, and then I wanted to add ECW, EWC, I'm sorry, into this portfolio. I'll see how that goes. Really like adding these companies. Consumer defense, pretty much the same. Costco, Coca-Cola, and Target. And then I'm up 6%. Industrial, I'm up 11% on this one. I got Boeing, Waste Management, 3M. This one is new. This one broke into two companies, which was Carrier and Raytheon Technologies. It says I'm down 24%. We'll see how this week goes. Hopefully it'll come out. I wanted to add Roper Technology into this pie as well. But on this sector, I'm up 11%. Consumer, I'm up 13%. Got McDonald's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and then I wanted to add genuine GPC on this part of my portfolio. I'm up 13% on this side, this sector. Materials. So I got SHW, PPG, APD, and then I wanted to bring this back. LIN. I think I had this once. I wanted to see if I can re-enter this sector right there. So I added a couple of new companies into there, my portfolio. Energy, I just kept it as is. Chevron and Exxon up 9%. So again, this week I'm up 10%. If we look at the activities, dividends. So dividends, I'm able to get it at least almost every day. My highest one right now would be public storage, which is 13 cents. Oh, actually, no, it's BND, which is 14%. But it's starting to slowly show almost every day, which is what I like to see. Let's look at the deposits. So as you can see, I've made a lot of attempts to consistently make deposits into this account. Other than that, I'll continue to make deposits. Really appreciate you watching the video. Please, again, subscribe, hit that like button. For those of you that are new, you can also check out the other videos, see how this portfolio has started. But again, thank you so much. Please be safe out there. Stay cool and keep investing. Mahalo. Aloha, everybody. Until next week.